Hey everyone, welcome back to and today we're diving into a game-changing topic, mastering data structures and algorithms in no time. Whether you're a coding enthusiast or gearing up for technical interviews, you're in for a treat. We've got the ultimate practice strategy that will elevate your DSA skills. Before we get started, a quick glance at what we'll cover. We'll touch on why mastering DSA is essential, discuss the common challenges faced by learners, and then reveal the ultimate practice strategy that's going to set you apart in the coding world. Output. So why is mastering DSA so critical? Whether you're a student or a professional, a solid grasp of data structures and algorithms is fundamental. It's the key to efficient problem solving in computer science and can make you stand out in the competitive tech landscape. Now, addressing some common challenges faced by learners. From overwhelming concepts to implementation struggles, many find the journey daunting. But fear not, a strategy exists that will help you conquer these challenges. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the ultimate practice strategy. It's a three-step approach that focuses on understanding, implementation, and consistent practice. First, understand the concepts thoroughly. Second, implement what you've learned through coding. And third, practice consistently on a variety of problems. Let's break it down. The first step is understanding the concepts. Take your time to comprehend how each data structure works, the algorithms behind them, and their complexities. Use online resources, textbooks, and tutorials to build a strong foundation. Once you grasp the concepts, it's time to implement them through coding. Start with small programs and gradually move to more complex ones. Platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank offer a variety of problems to hone your coding skills. Now, the third element, consistent and diverse practice. Set aside dedicated time each day for DSA practice. Explore a variety of challenges to broaden your problem-solving skills. This diversity will prepare you for any curveball in technical interviews. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips. Collaborate with peers, join coding communities, and participate in contests. Engaging with others can provide new insights. Also, don't shy away from revisiting concepts. Repetition is crucial for long-term retention. And there you have it, the ultimate practice strategy to master DSA in no time. Remember, it's not about speed, but understanding and application. Stay persistent, stay curious, and keep coding. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech content. Share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy coding. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with others.